Aspirants of UPSC Civil Services Examination opting for Manipuri literature have submitted memorandum to Rajya Sabha MP Sanajaoba in New Delhi, urging Union Public Service Commission to introduce Meetei Mayek script for optional subject. They noted that despite Manipur's inclusion in the 8th schedule in 1992, the UPSC continues to use Bengali script for Manipuri literature papers, causing difficulties for candidates who are more proficient in Meetei Mayek. The memorandum stated that the change would ease exam stress, enhance cultural expression, and support ongoing efforts to preserve the indigenous script. MP Sanajaoba assured the delegation that he would take up the matter with Ministry of Education and DOPT, highlighting that the demand is backed by scholars, academicians and cultural organizations. He recalled having raised the same issue in Parliament on February 8, 2023, criticizing the continued use of Bengali script despite state-level initiatives since 2006 to revive Meetei Mayek. Reiterating his commitment, the MP said he would push for inclusion of Meetei Mayek in both question papers and answer booklets for the UPSC mains.